Hi everyone, I'm Robin with Healthy Keto 2.0. One of the most challenging things about being on a keto diet, or probably any diet for that matter, is going out to eat at a restaurant, right? There are carbs everywhere. They put carbs in everything, and there's sugar in everything. And also, if you're trying to be vegetarian, you have to be careful because in the broths there could be chicken broth or beef broth and you don't know about it. You think it's just vegetable broth or you think it's just coconut milk. So we always have to ask questions, and it can be really difficult, very challenging. So today I would like to make for you a cauliflower fried rice. A lot of times my husband and I are just craving some really good Thai food or Chinese food, and the rice is like the best thing to eat. And now that I'm doing keto, rice is a no-no. So I found this delicious cauliflower rice recipe for fried rice, and I'm going to show you how I make it. And it's very versatile because you can add shrimp to it, you can add tofu, if you eat meat you can add chicken to it, or you can just eat it with all the vegetables that I'm going to show you how to. Alright, so we're going to start off with a big skillet, probably the biggest one you can find, and put it on medium heat, and then we're going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of your favorite oil. I like to use avocado oil, but you could use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. About 2 tablespoons, and let that get nice and hot. So once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to start off by putting half a cup of sliced onions in there. And just stir them around till they get nice and soft. Alright, so once the onions have been cooking for about a minute or two, I'm going to add a cup of sliced up vegetables. I'm using zucchini and mushrooms. You can use whatever you have around your kitchen. If you've got broccoli, you can use that. You can, any vegetable, any low carb vegetable. So I like to use mushrooms and zucchini. They just add a nice bite to the dish. You know, they get soft, but they also maintain their bite. So it feels like you're eating something substantial for a meal. All right, and we're just gonna stir that around. Let that cook down for about 3 minutes or so. Wanted to give a shout out to my family for sending me these beautiful flowers for my birthday, which was last week. These are from my mom and my brothers, and these are from my daughter. Thank you so much, family. I love you. Okay, once the vegetables are softened, we're going to add 1 pound of cauliflower rice. I like to use the frozen cauliflower rice. It's organic and it's from Costco. It's just such a great deal and it's so healthy. So I'm just going to pour that in over everything. I'm just going to add a little moisture to the dish as well. We're just going to let that cook down and soften a little bit. Alright, so we've got the cauliflower rice and the mushrooms and the zucchini and the onions, and they're all pretty soft now. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I use fresh garlic here. Stir that around because we don't want that to burn. That's why it's best to put that in later on here. And then I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Ooh. And I just love this little micro blade thingy here. I will put a link to it below if you guys are interested in this. I just love ginger, so I'm gonna maybe go a little overboard. Give that a stir and let this cook for about another minute till it gets nice and fragrant. Oh, I can smell the ginger. I love ginger. All right, and I'm going to turn the heat down just a speck there too. Okay, our next step is we're going to put some eggs in here, because what's fried rice without eggs, right? So I like to crack it first. in case there's anything, you know, yucky in there that you want to pull out. Look at that. Farmer's Market eggs, double yolks in each one. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so we're going to, come over here. We're going to push all of the rice aside like that and make some room here. And we're going to pour in the eggs and we're going to scramble them. Scramble, scramble, scramble. All right. I just love this. It's like at the Japanese restaurants when they cook in front of you and they put that egg there. And I was so surprised when I saw that for the first time. I was like, I didn't know there was scrambled eggs in there. They're scrambled and cooked. We're going to move the rice back and incorporate the eggs with it. Look at that. Just like the best Chinese restaurants. All right, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit here. Now we're going to add some more flavors. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of tamari sauce or soy sauce. Very salty, because there was no salt in this recipe yet, if you notice that. I didn't put any salt in there. Okay, and then I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of sesame oil. I love sesame oil. Add so much flavor, but a little goes a long way. So really just stick to about a teaspoon. Cauliflower fried rice. I like to top it with some sliced green onions, some sesame seeds, and a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes just to add a little kick to it. You could even put hot sauce on it if you wanted to. All right, I'm going in for the taste of this cauliflower keto fried rice. Oh my gosh. It tastes like the real thing. It tastes like I walked into the best Chinese restaurant or Thai restaurant and got their fried rice. I hope you guys will try this next time you're getting takeout, or you could just add your own shrimp to it, or chicken, or tofu, and you've got yourself a great Thai meal. It's so delicious. I really hope you guys will try it and enjoy it. Until next time, bye.